Lessons from Mahabharata for students. Dear students, let me ask you one simple question. Why do intelligent students fail? Why do talented people quit midway? Why do degrees sometimes fail to give directions in life? The answer to these questions were given 5,000 years ago in one epic, the Mahabharata. Today, let us learn 5 life-changing lessons from the Mahabharata, especially for students of the modern world. The first lesson is, find your Krishna, your purpose. Even the most talented people freeze under pressure. Arjuna was the greatest archer of his time. Yet, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, his hands trembled, his mind collapsed. Why? Not because he lacked skill, but because he lost clarity of purpose. At that moment, Krishna didn't give him weapons. Krishna gave him direction. So from this lesson, what we can understand is, find your purpose, not just marks. Find something that serves society, not just salary. Find a mentor who reminds you of your dharma when life becomes confusing. When your why is clear, the how becomes easy. Dear students, now let's see the second lesson. Don't be a goldfish. Learn focus. Do you know the shocking truth? The average human attention span today is less than a goldfish. Only 8 seconds. Now remember the famous story. Guru Dronacharya asked his students, what do you see on the tree? Everyone said, leaves, branches, birds. But Arjuna said, I see only the eye of the bird, that is focus. So the lesson from this is, stop multitasking. Ignore unnecessary notifications. Aim at one goal at a time. Success comes not from speed, it comes from focus. So the another lesson 3, what we can learn is, overcome the fear of failure. Many students don't fail in exams. They fail before they even start because of fear. Now think of Karna, rejected at birth, called Sotaputra, denied opportunities, insulted repeatedly. Yet he never quit. He rose so high that even Arjuna had to acknowledge his strength. So the lesson from this is, failure is an option. Giving up is not. If plan A fails, pivot to plan B. Your background does not define you. Your skill and perseverance do. The lesson 4 is, adapt to survive. The world is changing fast. Degrees become outdated. Skills become obsolete. During Vanavasa, the Pandavas lived in forests. They didn't complain. They adapted. They learned new skills. They changed their lifestyle. They survived and later won. So the lesson is, be like water, adaptable. One degree is not enough. Upskilling is survival, not luxury. Those who adapt survive. Those who don't disappear. Those who adapt survive. Those who don't disappear. So the lesson 5 is, choose your company wisely. Remember this powerful truth. You are the average of the 5 people you spend time with. Duryodhana chose Shekunin, a manipulator who fed his ego. Arjuna chose Krishna, a mentor who corrected him and guided him. Lesson for the students is, audit your friend circle. Avoid S-men. Choose mentors who challenge you, not flatter you. The right company builds your future. The wrong company destroys it silently. So dear students, the Mahabharata is not a myth. It is a manual for life. If you want success, find your Krishna, sharpen your focus, face your failure bravely, adapt continuously, choose your company wisely. Comment below which lesson touched you the most. Like, subscribe and share, because one lesson can change one life. This is Dr. Kasikari Prasad signing off with a reminder, thinking shapes destiny and disciplined thinking creates excellence.